In today's video, we will reveal 8 everyday foods that might be silently damaging your liver without you knowing it. The liver is a vital organ responsible for regulating blood composition, producing bile, aiding metabolism, and detoxifying harmful substances from your body. Protecting your liver is crucial, as liver failure can be life-threatening. By understanding which foods to avoid and making healthier dietary choices, you can prevent liver damage and support its essential functions. Stay with us as we explore the foods that may harm your liver, and in the end, we will discuss how to keep this vital organ healthy through balanced nutrition. Number 1. Salt. Salt and salty products contain high amounts of sodium, with about 5 grams of salt containing around 2,300 milligrams of sodium. The kidneys primarily regulate sodium levels in the body, but when sodium levels become too high, it can lead to increased blood pressure, which indirectly stresses the liver, as chronic high blood pressure can contribute to the development of conditions such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which may lead to liver inflammation and fibrosis over time. To maintain overall health, the American Heart Association recommends limiting daily sodium intake to less than 2,300 milligrams for healthy individuals and less than 1,500 milligrams for those with high blood pressure or kidney disease. Number 2. Fried foods. Fried foods are harmful to the liver, because they are high in advanced glycation end products. AGEs are formed when amino acids and sugars react with each other in the presence of heat and oxygen. These compounds can lead to the formation of toxic and inflammatory molecules that disrupt liver function and promote oxidative stress. Furthermore, fried foods are often high in trans fats and omega-6 fatty acids, which can exacerbate liver dysfunction and increase the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Number 3. Spicy spices. Extra hot spices are bad for your liver because they can act similarly to toxic compounds. When you consume excessively spicy seasonings, your liver is prompted to produce more bile to process them. Excessive bile, however, can accumulate in the bile ducts, potentially leading to the formation of gallstones and fatty liver disease. Spicy foods can also cause inflammation in the liver, contributing to liver damage over time. While moderate consumption of spices can have health benefits, excessive intake puts significant strain on the liver. This can disrupt its vital functions, including detoxification and metabolism. Therefore, it's crucial to use spicy seasonings cautiously. Number 4. Red meat. Red meat is an excellent source of protein and contains essential minerals like zinc, iron and magnesium, but it is also high in saturated fat content. While moderate consumption is not inherently harmful, excessive intake can lead to liver damage, as high levels of saturated fats in the liver can slow down liver activity and disrupt the functioning of other internal organs. Furthermore, excessive red meat consumption can increase harmful cholesterol levels in the blood, putting additional strain on the liver. Therefore, it's crucial to consume red meat in moderation and opt for leaner alternatives like chicken, turkey, or fish. By making this simple change, individuals can reduce their risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and other liver-related complications. Number 5. Cold drinks. Carbonated drinks contain high levels of sugar and corn syrup, which include glucose and fructose. While glucose is mostly processed by all the cells of your body, fructose is treated like a toxin and all of it gets processed by the liver, where it gets converted into VLDL fat and free fatty acids, which increases the risk of visceral fat accumulation and insulin resistance. Furthermore, not all of the fat can get out of the liver, so fat accumulates in the liver leading to non-alcoholic liver disease. Many carbonated drinks also contain artificial sweeteners like aspartame, which can cause oxidative stress and inflammation, eventually leading to liver fibrosis. Number 6. Fatty foods. High-fat foods typically include foods that are high in saturated or trans fats, such as red meat, full-fat dairy products, processed meats, and fried foods. The regular consumption of high-fat foods can lead to serious health problems, particularly in the intestines and liver. In fact, a study found that individuals who consume high amounts of saturated fat are 3 times more likely to develop liver cirrhosis. When we overindulge in these foods, our liver struggles to process the excess fat, leading to a rapid increase in harmful cholesterol levels in the blood. This can trigger heart and vascular problems, such as atherosclerosis and heart attacks, as the liver's natural detoxification processes are disrupted. Number 7. Processed canned fruits. Processed fruits are fruits that have been modified from their natural state through methods like canning, drying, or freezing, often involving the addition of preservatives and sweeteners. This processing can lead to a loss of essential nutrients and fiber while increasing added sugars and fructose levels, which can overwhelm the liver, leading to fat accumulation and the development of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Additionally, preservatives and artificial additives in processed fruits can cause oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. This stress hampers the liver's ability to detoxify the body efficiently. Therefore, consuming fresh or minimally processed fruits is recommended to support liver health and prevent potential damage associated with processed fruit consumption. Number 8. Sweets. Products like candies, ice cream, and cakes are major culprits when it comes to simple carbohydrates. These treats are loaded with refined sugar, corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, and other additives that can put a strain on our livers. When we consume these products, our livers work overtime to process the excess sugar, leading to fatigue and potentially even organ damage. In fact, research suggests that consuming high amounts of simple carbohydrates can lead to liver damage and even obesity. To mitigate these effects, it's essential to choose products made with natural ingredients and fewer artificial additives. Now we will discuss some beneficial foods for the liver. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful supporter of liver health, aiding in the activation of liver enzymes that are crucial for eliminating toxins and harmful compounds that accumulate in the body. The key active components in garlic, allicin and sulfur, have powerful antioxidant, antibiotic, and antifungal properties. These compounds work together to cleanse the liver and support its overall function. Regular consumption of garlic, about 1 to 2 medium-sized cloves daily, can help maintain a healthy liver. However, moderation is essential. Excessive intake can lead to adverse effects such as pain under the ribs, digestive issues, belching, and heartburn. Individuals with gastrointestinal conditions like gastritis, stomach ulcers, or duodenal ulcers should limit their intake to half a clove per day, and those with hepatitis or liver cirrhosis should avoid garlic altogether. Always consider your individual health needs when incorporating garlic into your diet. Number 2. Coffee. In addition to being a morning starter for many people, it's also a protective shield for your liver. Studies show that drinking about 2 cups of coffee daily can reduce the risk of liver diseases, including cirrhosis, by approximately 40%. Coffee's benefits extend to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease as well, thanks to its ability to decrease fat accumulation and boost antioxidant levels in the liver. These antioxidants help prevent liver scarring and maintain liver health. The best way to enjoy coffee's benefits is by drinking it black, as adding excessive sweeteners can negate its positive effects. Incorporating coffee into your diet in moderation, particularly without added sugars or cream, can be a simple and effective way to support liver function. Number 3. Pumpkin. Pumpkin, with its vibrant orange flesh, rich in a rare form of vitamin known as vitamin T that supports liver health, is a liver-friendly superfood. This nutrient-dense vegetable aids in the efficient digestion of fatty foods, reducing the burden on the liver. Pumpkin is particularly beneficial in restoring disrupted liver cell metabolism and repairing damaged liver tissue. One of its most significant properties is the ability to restore the cellular membranes of hepatocytes, the primary cells in the liver. Including pumpkin in your meals, especially alongside richer, fatty dishes, not only enhances the flavor of your food but also provides essential support for liver health. Number 4. Avocado. Avocados are a healthy addition to our diet that can support our liver's function. It is rich in glutathione, a vital antioxidant that helps filter out harmful substances from the liver, protecting its cells from damage and premature aging. Avocado also contains high levels of vitamin C and E, which neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation, further safeguarding the liver. With its anti-inflammatory properties, avocado positively impacts liver function, making it an excellent addition to your daily diet. Number 5. Beets. Beets are another liver-friendly food that deserves a place in your diet. They are rich in betaine, a compound that helps the liver process fats and eliminate toxins. Betaine supports the liver's detoxification process and aids in the repair of liver cells. Beets also contain antioxidants, particularly betalains, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Consuming beets regularly can enhance liver function and promote overall liver health. Whether you enjoy them roasted, juiced, or as part of a salad, beets are a delicious and nutritious way to support your liver.